Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest download photos. Do you know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest download photos? You should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest here. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this window you will click clear cache, and in the end you can go to click here on your Wi-Fi. When you will turn off your Wi-Fi, then you can know how to fix your problem on Pinterest. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.